So here we are at what is officially the front of Ivy Cottage here on Charlotte Street. Our clients mainly use this as more like a rear garden area, to be fair. We have got some beautiful raised borders here. Got the gravelled, low maintenance garden with the patio area. Now on Charlotte Street we have a gate there which leads all the way through, and the houses have to give right of way for ourselves here to get up and down. Our clients don't use this, and they use the door from the kitchen simply because it's easier to do so, and it takes us straight into the house itself. But this is such a wonderful property. So quiet round here in Chapeltown as well. We've got St Anne's Church just behind us, so very quiet. Actually just over the way we've got the old Boltonians football pitch, so yeah, lovely quiet spot. Chatham Arms pub. We're only probably a couple of miles away from Bromley Cross train station as well, so commuting is wonderful. But let's go in and take a look at this super property and the accommodation it has on offer. Welcome into Ivy Cottage on Charlotte Street in Chapeltown. So we're stepping foot from the front through the front door here, and we've got this beautiful mosaic floor there. Amtico flooring which stretches all the way through to the kitchen, which we'll have a look at shortly, and this lovely door with the leaded light and stained glass window there. Lovely feature. The rest of the windows downstairs are certainly UPVC, as are upstairs, and all double glazed. We've got this multi-fuel burner, which according to our clients is staying with the property as well, to warm ourselves in those lovely wintry days. And this room is such a wonderful size. Got lovely tall ceilings. And as we walk through, as you can see, it's all open plan. We've got a double glazed window there, and also another one here in the dining area. It's all open plan with the Amtico flooring again, and of course loads of room here for dining and entertaining. I mean, that's a large table there, and there's 8 seats where you could easily fit four more people without any issue. So you can see what a super-sized room this is. And as we walk through, we have got the stairs which lead to the first floor, which we'll look at very shortly. This is actually an extension which was done a few years ago, and the Amtico flooring follows through into here. A lovely granite worktops, and what I would class really as a farmhouse style kitchen. And we've got those double glazed skylights, and of course the double glazed window there to the side. Lovely door there. Belfast sink, which is great. Here, the multi-fuel oven burner range, that is staying with the property. We've also got an integrated slimline dishwasher, integrated washing machine and dryer, which of course are staying there. If I turn round, we've got the fridge freezer, that's not staying. However, prior to that fridge freezer, there was an American fridge freezer there in that spot. So there is plumbing, I believe, according to our clients, for American fridge freezer. So there is a water point there for ice, etc. when you plug it all in. Really is a lovely home, this. As we turn round, plenty of room for entertaining, as we see. Let's go and have a look at the first floor. So here we are on the first floor. So we've got 2 bedrooms here to show you. The first bedroom, what a wonderful size this is. As you can see, we've got plenty of fitted wardrobe space here. And if I turn round, that ain't a small bed, and look at all the room you've got in and around that. So absolutely fantastic. And those lovely views over the churchyard there, showing how quiet this area is. Really lovely village setting. So back out onto the landing, and just before we go into the second bedroom, just above us we have loft access that has a pull down ladder and the stairs are all boarded. Sorry, the loft itself are all boarded, which is great. Second bedroom, lovely. Recently fitted carpets, as we can see. Fitted wardrobes with inset lighting. Daughter used to have a king-size bed here, so that used to fit just as we are here. So you can see plenty of room and all very, very nicely done, with again views over a very quiet street and scenery there. And finally, on the first floor, we do have a lovely bathroom. As you can see, we've got the wall mounted vertical ladder radiator just here, lovely tiled floor with the sink, the WC of course, and the bath. Again, lovely tiled splashback with that shower head there, and you can hear the extractor just above us there as well.